hands-on in-class experience within the HART School that I really appreciate is Professor Len's 317 class, where it allows you to execute and create an event. And I thought this was really beneficial because it was hands-on experience while still applying classroom knowledge.
Some in-class experiences in the HART School that made the greatest impact on me definitely had to do with the unique course load, including our culinary classes, specific industry classes like our hotel management class and events classes, as well as all of the different certifications that I made during my progress here at the HART School.
To me, there's nothing better than hands-on experience. Having the opportunity to craft a marketing plan for an MBA rookie, attack known or unknown problems within the management of a WNBA team, or put on an entire event at a local parks and recreation facility gave me an experience that is as similar as possible without the job title. Doing these types of projects through the HART School not only furthered my learning, but gave me the confidence to apply it accordingly. I know that if I were ever put in a position with a professional sports team or a recreational facility, I would be very well prepared, and I can attribute that readiness to the HART School.
The greatest hands-on in-class experience I've had through the HART School was in one of the first classes when we had to design a restaurant and present it to our peers and our faculty. One of the greatest hands-on out-of-class experiences I had was when I accompanied Professor Gilpatrick Hornsby and his class to Cisco Food and Beverage Expo. Both of these experiences helped me realize how the industry works a little bit better by having that hands-on experience.
Most of my work experience has come from JMU football. I had started off as a student filmer back in my sophomore year. That spring semester, I was working with Dr. Anaza on SRM 241, Introduction to Sport and Recreation Management. I had never had a leadership position in the industry before, so learning all of these different styles of leadership, planning, organization, and just controlling and being able to do all that stuff to being able to become a manager, it was very important to set up my foundation for becoming eventually the assistant video coordinator that next summer.
One of the most impactful hands-on experiences that I've had during my time here was traveling to Capital One Arena and Monumental Sports, because it opened my eyes to a new perspective related to the sports industry, and because it allowed me to expand my network immensely.
The in-class and out-of-class experiences provided through the HART School helped give me a well-rounded education and ultimately the confidence and ability to start my own business.